welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos, and the title says it's all, guys. So we are doing a blindfolded outfit challenge. I don't know if you guys are on TikTok, but if you are, you would have known this challenge from last year. So basically, me and my sister will be playing this challenge. So I'll be looking clothes for her, but then she'll be on a chair and she will pick one of the outfits, not knowing what she's picking. So it's supposed to be kind of funny because we're gonna kind of, you know, mismatch up the clothes them. You know, it will be nice. I hope it will be nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Without further ado, let us get into this video. This is my sister. Her name is Sassy Shan. So yes, guys, so she's going to be taking my phone. She's gonna video herself looking at my clothes, but I will not see it until I'm editing. So and then video what you're looking and, you know, all of that.
Before you go, could you tell me where your evening wears are?
I have some clothes in there, but most of them would be in the thing in there. So.
Okay.
Where are yours? I don't even know.
This way.
So yes, guys, I'm gonna be looking her clothes. This is her room, by the way, guys.
Either in tops are in here, bottoms are in here.
Okay, bye.
Brother, what am I gonna find?
Bye. Alright, guys. So we're gonna try and make this a bit funny. You know, you're something weird for her. I don't know. We're gonna give her a choice. Now, what do I want to see her in? So what I'm thinking is basically finding an outfit, and then we're gonna do top, bottom, shoes, accessory, and hat or wig. I want to give her one of the wig to put on. That is gonna be so funny. So I need to look 2 tops in here for her.
Alright, guys, so this is her drawer and I'm going to be looking. So yeah, let's start. I don't think I'm in the right drawer. I think I might have to go in her suitcase, as she said. So let's just push back that. Let's see if I find the pants here. Yeah, don't want that one. No. What if I choose something that she don't like? I mean, is she gonna want to wear it? Oh boy. Short shorts and a need another.
I'm gonna choose one. So I'm gonna choose this Gucci one, and then I'm gonna choose a shoe snack. So we're gonna choose this, and then I'm gonna need accessories. Guys, I forgot the most important thing, a bag. So I want it to be with this bag. So I'm gonna take this one. Ooh, my dad bought this for her, by the way. And I want shoes. I don't know, does she have any red? No, she has green. I want it to be funny. Let's just do this purse. So we're gonna do the purse and the bag. But yeah, that is all. So we got accessory, clothes, and shoes, and that's it. I don't know what else to choose. So we're gonna stick with that for now. But yeah.
Okay, so this is the first top, the second top, first shorts, and the second shorts. Let's see if I can find some shoe.
Guys.
What?
What a nice baby. Did you look like accessories and stuff?
I'm
too?
going to some move.
But I need you to move so I can find my accessories. For you.
So over here, say I looking to think of my own stuff.
But
no, it's my own stuff. Go, move. And don't come back.
But oh my gosh. Alright guys, so we have looked at the things and we're now going to begin. So I'm going into the chair now. Oh my god. Ah. Where do
Can
I
you
sit?
see the
No.
camera? Sit.
Where?
Sit.
Where?
Sit. I want to know if you can see. You can see. You
No,
sit, please.
I can't see.
All right, so we're gonna start off
Oh my
with
God.
the shorts.
Oh my gosh.
Left or right? Left or right?
That one?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Don't peek.
You make sure it's the camera see?
Don't worry about the camera. Left or right?
That one?
Okay.
You make sure I say put the one then when me choose one place now.
Yes. Gotta pick the jewelry. Left or right? Left. Okay.
I'm just shooting guys. My nose.
Alright, so you gotta pick the jewelry.
That's some English.
Shush. Left or right? Choice.
What is it?
Shush. Now for the shoesies. Left or right?
This is all this one?
Okay. Open up your eyes.
Yeah, yeah.
You actually didn't do bad with the clothes. But you gotta wear your red with your pink.
No problem.
And your red with your pink. I mean, what the
Wow.
heck?
You know you where's my thing?
I didn't do so wicked to you. Don't worry.
Alright guys, so I guess I was the wicked one.
Come along. I don't care. Let's.
Alright guys, so she did hers and you know she did me good. However, I ain't gonna do her so good. So I'm gonna also start off with
Okay,
the
now they can see that you're the evil one and I'm the nice one.
Whatever.
I'm the nice
Anyway, so
one.
we're gonna start with the bottoms. Left or right?
Is it a shorts?
I'm not telling.
Is it a pants? Can I feel?
No! Left or right? Left. Okay. We're there for your clothes. Alright, put this in place for yourself. Okay. Stop, look.
Nah, look.
Left or right?
What color?
I told you. Hurry up.
Pick this.
Let it go.
Scared.
Shush. Now for the shoes.
Oh, come on. What color shoes
Left
did you
or
take off?
right? I'm not saying.
The black one.
Left or right?
The black one.
Girl.
This one.
Man. Why? Why? Could you have chosen the other one?
No. I want to.
Left or right?
That one.
Seriously? I have to choose all I participate.
I don't know. I'm just choosing. Here.
Left or right?
Left. Please. Ow. What is that?
And then last but certainly not least, left or right?
I'm gonna go with left.
Man, I wanted you choosing with the other son. Now you can move.
Jesus Christ! How can I mix up
No,
that?
for me, why have to choose? Alright guys, she is ready. Let's go. I didn't do too bad. You know I didn't do you too bad. She chose correctly.
But now really sabaga with this
No, it would never work. I just did it for the fun of it, you know.
Oh yes, I'm a lipstick down there, so
go put on your lipstick. But see, I chose the pink. I wanted her to choose
and
this.
Plus, she don't give me an earring, so anyway.
Guys, I fear for me not even give her the wait no, me never give her the we call it the wig or the hat. Her fault.
So this is what she picked, guys. I was hoping she'll choose the pink shoes, but me not see how that dropping. But I guess you can say I watch match our shoes, but at least our jewelry matches her.
Kinda.
Yes. People, she thief. She never picked that.
Guys, we
anywhere.
Cool, but yeah.
That is her. So peace out.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. She changed off her clothes, yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna change mine now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below,
And share.
subscribe, and
Share.
hit that notification bell.
Notification bell.
And I will see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.